Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you the Mill of the House Egyptian cotton sheets. And what better place to do this in a bed? Look, it's hot out there. It's Saturday. No kids. No nobody. So I'm just relaxing in bed. So this is how I got it. This is by Melody House. It's home fashion. And I'm going to open it because I wash my sheets. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you I'll tell you what they feel like, show you how they come, and then I'm going to wash them and then put them on the bed and I'll show you how they look on the bed. So, and it's tied in a nice little ribbon, which I'll use in an art project later. I don't throw anything away that I can use. How's everybody doing? I am doing just fine. These are actually pretty. So these are the bottom sheets, and they're fitted. These are the pillowcases. They come with 2 pillowcases, I believe. Let's open one up. No, they come with 4. I'm sorry. So hold up and see what they look like. So that's nice. Got nice little stitching in it and stuff. Really heavy cotton. Really good quality cotton. And then here's the sheet, the top sheet. So there's 4. This is the top and the bottom sheet, the fitted bottom sheet, and then there's 4 pillowcases. And like I said, very heavy, very good quality cotton. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And I will leave you all the particulars in the comment section. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.